Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will tell you a story, The Ants and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, a grasshopper named Harley used to live in a forest. So the grasshopper was a very lazy one. So it would always be sleeping and enjoying. So it was the time of summer. So one day the grasshopper is relaxing on a stem of a tree, and watched that the ants were collecting food and working and transporting them to their home. So the grasshopper wondered why were they doing it. So the grasshopper went and asked the ants why were they collecting food. Then the ants said that the summer is going to end in several days, and next winter is coming. So in winter it is impossible to find any kind of food in the forest. So it's better if we collect the food in the summer and store it so that we can use it in the future. So the grasshopper laughed and said that you are too small, that's why you need to do things like this. I am mighty and I am so big. I can collect all my food in just a few days. So it said that in this hot summer we must enjoy the cool breezes and sleep, not work. The ants knew that the grasshopper will not follow it anyhow, and they left. So after some days, again the grasshopper met the ants. When the ants were carrying twigs, one of the ants got injured and fell down. So it was unable to walk. Then the grasshopper saw it and said that, "Don't worry, I will help you." So the grasshopper took the ant on its back and flown to the place where the ants lived. So then the ants thanked him because he saved one of their ants. So the summer was about to end. The ants warned the grasshopper, "You should at least start doing it now. You will not be able to do it in the winter." Well, the grasshopper didn't follow. After the winter came, so all the leaves from the trees have dried up and fell down, and all the insects were covered in the snow. There was no grass and there was nothing. So the grasshopper searched very hard for food. It didn't know what to do. It was merely able to find at least a dry piece of leaf. Then it remembered about the ants, and so it went to the ants' house. So then when he knocked the door, the ants came out. So he asked for help. So the ants helped him only because the grasshopper helped one of their ants in the summer. So to pay him back, the ants built him a house and gave them food. After that, since then, the grasshopper stopped being lazy and worked hard. So that's it, guys. Thank you.